video is about mud houses which tell tales of the past. Mud houses will highlight the history of the region and explains the stages of urbanization through the ages. Every country has its historic and tourist landmarks. For Oman, it is the forts, pottery, and mud houses. The mud houses are one of the signatures of Oman. Sultanate of Oman is home to many mud palaces and buildings. This unique and ancient history attracts millions of tourists every year. Each region of Oman has its own distinctive built heritage with mud houses and historical palaces scattered across the country. The mud houses are the extension of nature and also they tell the tales of Oman's history. A traditional mud house is a unique and unforgettable experience. The Oman's villages also serve as tangible evidence of its wonderful architectural history. It is a surreal experience to walk through a completely abandoned village. My journey is never ending. Let's see in another video in Journey Details.